Hey guys, we're doing the 1920 Noir Box Break 1 random draft. So obviously there's the explanation. Random draft is where I random the participant list. That's all you guys in jails here, 1 to 30. And then whatever you end up after I do the random, which is here, that's what spot you get to pick. So obviously if you end up in spot 1, you'll probably pick Pelicans, and then number 2, Grizz, etc., until we get to the final team, who will go to whoever's in spot 30. And that's the way it is. So good luck to everyone. We'll see how we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There. Oh yeah. I just forgot to even put the what's it called in there. I need to copy that list. That's what I'm meant to do. That's what I'm meant to do. And then everyone will pick. So Cam Munster, you get first. Lyons, Steindl, Mihailov, Jaden, Mr. Thong, Jerome, Andre, Jason, Benny, all the way down to the bottom. And that's it.